Today we're going to bring a surge protector, and this is perfect out of the box. There's only one power connection, but I'm going to show you a couple features it has. All right, you have a type C and two type A to charge either devices. You could have all three devices charging from the same station. Now, the best thing I like about this, look at this. It has its own rubber band. It's a rubber band pretty much to kind of just keep the whole cable together for cable management. And this is one of the unique things I like about it. And it won't come off. It's something that's permanently in there, so you won't lose it, right? Now, the connection, as you can see, is a 3-prong connection. There is one more power connection, but that's for only 2-prong connection, all right? It's not going to be for 3. It's a hidden one that I almost missed it, and this is a plus in case you have another third device you got to put. But make sure that you have a 2-prong instead of 3, because most of the laptops do have the 3. Laptops will be connected here, and the other devices will be in here. But this is going to power everything you can. And if you're losing out one connection, you're getting 2 more, plus the USB. So very simple, very easy, lightweight. And of course, you know, it gives you direction on how to tie it up, go in one direction, and then you put in the actual rubber band, cable management included. So let's put this to use and see how it works. Hey, I got my computer, I got my iPad, my phone connected, my iPhone connected, all coming from the same direction. And we're going to bring this down so you guys can see a little bit better. So I even have an extra connection right now. This is actually my Surface connected to it. I got 3 connections powering up. There's one here, and then one here. So we got 3 or 4 items actually running at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got that extra connection here that I could save for a laptop, another laptop or desktop, pretty much. It's a powerful connection. If you need to take this with you anywhere, pretty much, it's very convenient, small, portable. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.